Hey everyone, all this buzz about AI and its impact. Well, get this. Today we're taking a deep dive into HCL Technology,
HCL Technologies,
a
yeah.
major player in the global tech scene,
Exactly.
and their latest quarterly results, Q2 of fiscal year 2025.
They give us,
They give some really interesting glimpses into how AI is actually playing out
yeah, in the business world,
in the business
and what it
world.
might mean for you.
Absolutely. It's exciting to see how AI is moving beyond theory and into real-world applications.
Yeah.
And we've got a treasure trove of information for you today.
Oh, yeah.
Financial statements, segment breakdowns,
Uh-huh.
even snippets from the CEO's earnings call,
Right.
all pointing to how AI is driving tangible results.
I love it. Love tangible results. So let's start with the big picture. HCL had a strong Q2,
Yeah.
reporting 6.2% year-on-year revenue growth.
That 6.2% growth figure is even more impressive when you consider it's in constant currency, meaning it accounts for fluctuations in exchange rates,
Right.
and that they also strategically divested part of their business this year.
Oh, okay.
It really shows they're actively managing their portfolio for future success.
Smart. Now, here's where it gets particularly interesting for anyone following the AI trend. HCL's software business experienced its highest year-on-year growth ever, a whopping 9.4%.
Yeah, that kind of growth is a clear signal that demand for their software solutions is strong, and it's not just a one-time spike.
Okay.
They've hit an impressive $1.05 billion in annual recurring revenue, ARR, for their software segment,
Nice.
which means they're building a solid foundation for sustained growth.
I like that. That ARR number is a great sign.
Absolutely.
And they're not slowing down.
Nope.
To further strengthen their position in the AI landscape, they recently acquired Xenia,
Xenia, right.
a company specializing in data engineering.
The Xenia acquisition is a strategic move aimed at addressing a specific gap in HCL's data engineering capabilities, allowing them to handle the complexities of AI workloads more effectively.
I see. So they were missing that piece.
Exactly.
And now they've plugged that hole. Yeah, it fits perfectly into their broader AI strategy, showing their commitment to staying at the forefront of this rapidly evolving field.
And it's not just talk. They're actually winning AI-driven projects across a variety of sectors.
Absolutely.
During the earnings call, the CEO highlighted wins that showcase just how versatile AI is becoming.
Yeah.
For example, they're helping a financial services firm modernize their risk reporting, which includes crucial fraud analytics.
That's a great example of how AI is being used to tackle real-world challenges in finance, but it doesn't stop there.
Oh,
They're also working with a semiconductor company to optimize those tiny IoT microcontrollers that are becoming increasingly ubiquitous.
really?
Yeah.
Wow, those examples really bring home the point that AI isn't just a futuristic concept.
Yeah.
It's already making a tangible impact in various industries today.
It's fascinating to see how AI is not just impacting businesses, but also the workforce.
Oh, yeah.
HCL is known for its large employee base,
Uh-huh.
over 219,000 people, and they've made some interesting moves. They've actually seen a slight decline in headcount.
Really?
Decline? Yeah, which might seem counterintuitive given their growth.
That's right. It might seem surprising, but
But HCL is actually focusing on upskilling and specializing their workforce.
okay.
They're adapting their talent pyramid to focus on higher value skills that are in demand in the AI-driven world.
Makes sense.
It's not just about reducing headcount,
Right.
it's about ensuring their employees are equipped for the future.
Yeah.
They're investing in programs that help their staff develop expertise in areas like data science, machine learning, and AI development.
I see.
It's a proactive approach to meeting the changing demands of the job market.
Smart. And here's a really interesting fact. Despite the slight reduction in headcount, their total wage bill has actually increased.
That tells you a lot about how AI is shaping the job market. There's a growing demand for specialized skills in AI and related fields.
I see. So there's fewer people doing the work, but they're getting paid more.
Exactly, and those skills are commanding higher salaries.
Interesting.
This is definitely a trend to keep in mind if you're looking to stay ahead of the curve.
Good advice.
Absolutely. This focus on upskilling ties back to our initial point about AI's impact.
Yeah.
HCL's Q2 results really highlight that AI is no longer just a buzzword.
Right.
It's driving growth, attracting investment, and as we see, even reshaping the workforce.
And remember those specific AI project wins we discussed earlier?
Yeah.
Those weren't just isolated examples.
Right.
During the earnings call, the CEO emphasized that most deals now incorporate AI capabilities.
I see.
Their own Gen AI platform, AI Force, is gaining serious traction.
AI Force is a really interesting development.
Oh, yeah.
It's not just another AI platform.
All right.
It's specifically designed to help businesses rapidly develop and deploy Gen AI solutions.
Interesting.
What sets it apart is its focus on making Gen AI accessible and easy to use,
Uh-huh.
even for organizations without deep AI expertise.
So it's not just about having the most advanced AI.
Right.
It's about making that technology usable for a wider range of businesses.
Exactly. And we see that strategy playing out in the numbers.
Okay.
The sources reveal that AI Force has already been implemented with 25 clients,
Wow.
and many more have expressed interest.
So they're just getting started.
Yeah, what's also significant is that HCL is partnering with industry giants
Right.
like Microsoft, AWS, and Google Cloud to accelerate Gen AI adoption.
Interesting. So they're not trying to go it alone.
No, they're clearly positioning themselves as leaders in this space.
It's also interesting how HCL is approaching the human element of AI.
Yeah,
Their CEO spoke about frugal engineering and bringing empathy into the software world.
I remember that.
Those terms might sound a bit abstract,
Yeah.
but I think they point to a deeper shift in how we think about technology.
Right. Frugal engineering, in the context of AI, suggests a focus on efficiency and resource optimization.
Okay.
It's about developing solutions that deliver maximum impact while minimizing resource consumption.
So doing more with less.
Think of it as doing more with less.
I like that.
For HCL, this could mean creating AI models that require less computational power, making them more accessible and sustainable.
That makes a lot of sense, especially as concerns about the environmental impact of AI are increasing.
Absolutely.
And what about empathy in software? What could that look like in practice?
It's an intriguing concept.
Yeah.
It suggests designing AI systems that are more intuitive,
Okay.
more understanding of human needs and emotions.
Uh-huh.
It's about moving beyond pure functionality and creating technology that feels more human-centered.
So like it understands us better.
Exactly.
Uh,
Imagine AI assistants that can not only understand your requests, but also sense your mood and adjust their responses accordingly.
that would be a game changer in terms of user experience.
For sure.
And it ties into a broader trend of making technology more accessible and user-friendly.
Yeah.
But HCL isn't just focused on AI.
Right.
Their software business as a whole is making waves.
That's right. They're now the largest enterprise software product business headquartered out of Asia.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow.
And they're building on a strong foundation of product and engineering excellence.
Uh-huh.
They've laid out a clear 3-year roadmap for their software business.
Okay.
And their Q2 results show they're executing on that plan.
So they're walking the walk.
They're targeting specific growth opportunities, strengthening their partnerships,
Yeah.
and making strategic acquisitions like Xenea to enhance their offerings.
So they're going for it.
They are, and they're doing all this while navigating a complex global landscape with geopolitical tensions and economic uncertainty.
Right. It's not an easy time to be in business.
No, it's not. Remember, they did raise the lower end of their revenue guidance,
Yeah.
but they're acknowledging those potential headwinds.
So yeah.
That balanced approach is a good sign.
I see.
They're not blindly chasing growth. They're being realistic about the challenges while remaining confident in their ability to gain market share.
Hmm.
That speaks volumes about their competitive strength.
Okay, so let's zoom out for a moment and think about what this all means for you, the listener.
Right.
HCL's Q2 results tell a compelling story about the real-world impact of AI.
Yeah.
It's driving growth, creating new job opportunities, and changing the way businesses operate.
And these trends are likely to accelerate in the coming years.
Yeah, it seems like AI is everywhere these days.
It is, whether you're an employee, an investor, a business leader, or simply a consumer of technology.
Yeah,
AI will increasingly shape your experiences and opportunities.
I can see that.
It's not something you can ignore.
It's definitely something to pay attention to.
Absolutely.
HCL's journey offers valuable insights into how a major player is navigating this AI-driven landscape.
Right.
They're demonstrating a strategic approach to growth, a commitment to innovation,
Yeah.
and a recognition of the human element in technology.
Those are all important takeaways for anyone looking to understand and thrive in this rapidly evolving world.
And speaking of understanding and thriving, remember that thought-provoking statement from HCL's CEO about frugal engineering and bringing empathy to the software world?
Yes, those ideas really stood out.
Yeah.
It's worth considering what those concepts might mean for you as a user of technology.
Right.
What do you think frugal engineering might look like in the software you use every day?
Could it mean software that runs more efficiently,
Yeah.
uses less battery power on your phone,
Hmm.
or loads faster on your computer?
Right.
It's definitely something to ponder. And what about that empathy piece?
That's where it gets really interesting. Imagine software that anticipates your needs,
Oh, okay.
adapts to your preferences,
Uh-huh.
and even understands your emotional state.
Wow.
Could we see a future where technology feels less like a tool and more like a partner?
That's a fascinating thought.
Yeah.
And it raises a lot of questions about how we design and interact with technology in the future. This deep dive into HCL's Q2 results has been a real eye-opener. It's clear that AI is more than just hype. It's a powerful force shaping industries, economies, and even our individual lives.
And as we've seen, understanding these trends is crucial for navigating the future.
Yeah.
Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a business leader, or simply someone curious about the world around us.
So keep learning, keep exploring, and keep asking those critical questions. That's what the deep dive is all about.
Until next time, keep diving.